Hi, this video is just a quick recap of how you change your society's header picture, this picture here. Okay, so just to recap very quickly, first of all, choose whichever page it is or which society it's relevant to. So say it's the Shorley Walkers. So you pick the Shorley Walkers and you've got this photo here. Click on the photo and you can either replace the header layout, which changes what appears here, or you can edit the background. So it's edit the background you want. Then you can either edit this image or you can replace the image. So what you do is click on replace the image. I won't actually do this because I don't want to change the image, but you click on replace the image and it'll give you an option. One of the options, there'll be several, but one of the options is to upload an image from your computer. You click on that, find the image, click open, and it uploads that image to the computer, and then when it's uploaded it will show it here. Then once you've got it, you can click on this image because it won't yet be fixed, and you can move it around. You can move it up and down or whatever until you get it right, and then you go up here and there's a button up here, not the publish button, another button that says save, and you click on save, and that's how you've changed that image.